How to get off OneMain Financial mailing list. OneMain Financial is a U.S. company that provides personal loans, both secured and unsecured, mainly to people with less than perfect credit. It operates through over 1,300 branches and online. Search on Google "unsubscribe from OneMain emails." Click on this link. On this page, enter your email address here. Then click on unsubscribe. Your email address has been unsubscribed. Contact OneMain Financial's customer service directly. You can call at this number. Email at this OneMain Financial customer service email. That's it. Thanks for watching.